Are you struggling with your mortgage and wondering if a short sale is the right option for you? Short sales can feel overwhelming and confusing, especially if you don't have the right guidance. But don't worry, there is a solution. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 7 ways to do a short sale correctly in the Chicago area and the surrounding suburbs, ensuring you protect your credit and avoid the unnecessary stress. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs with Coldwell Banker. I have helped countless of homeowners navigate the really complex of short sales, and today I'm here to guide you with a step through the process. Whether you're facing foreclosure or just need to sell your home quickly, my goal is to help you make the informed decisions to protect your credit and to get out of debt. So here we go. 7 keys to step for success short sale. Number 1, find the right real estate agent and the short sale attorney. The first and most important step in hiring a real estate agent like myself and a knowledgeable short sale attorney. Together, we can negotiate on your behalf and communicate with the bank to ensure that the best possible outcome. Okay. Number 2, price the property correctly. In my experience, pricing the property slightly below its market value is key. This helps attract buyers quickly, letting them know it's a short sale and it could take time. Depending on your situation, the short sale process could take anywhere from 1 month to 6 months, and for some more complicated cases, even up to 12 months. Number 3, understand there's no financial gain for you. A critical point to remember is that you won't receive any money back from the sale. Our goal is simply to help you move on from the property while saving your credit and reducing your debt. Banks may lose anywhere from $5,000 to $40,000, but every situation is different, which is why working with a professional like myself is essential. Number 4, keep all documents organized. Ensure that you have all the necessary financial documents ready. This includes mortgage statements, bank statements, and proof of income. A short sale attorney will also help you gather and organize all these papers for submission to the bank. Number 5, be prepared for bank negotiations. Banks are not always easy to negotiate with, and the process can be slow. However, with the right attorney and agent, we can push it a little bit faster and in favorable of a resolution. Number 6, prepare for possible rejections. The reality is that not all short sales offers will be accepted by the bank. Sometimes the bank might reject the offer or come back with a counteroffer. Stay patient, it's all part of the process. Number 7, stay informed and ask questions. The short sale process can be very complex and every situation is unique. Never hesitate to ask questions along the way. I'll be with you every step of the way, making sure that you fully understand the process. Short sales don't have to be difficult or stressful if you have the right team to support you. With my experience and the right short sale attorney on your side, we'll make sure that the process goes very smooth as possible, saving again your credit and helping you move forward. If you need help with a short sale or have any questions, give me a call. 773-550-4846. I'll guide you through the process the entire way and make sure you're not alone. If this video was very informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on social media platforms. Please share, like, comment, and share with your friends and family or anyone who's going through a rough patch right now. Thanks for watching.